Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I am going to be doing an unboxing of the supplies that I ordered for my DTF Procolored L1800 printer. And at the end of the video, I'll have a cost breakdown of all the supplies that you saw in this video. So let's get into that video. So this is the first look. And so yeah, it looks like this is some ink right here. Ink. This is the powder, since I can't read, and this is the roll, which I thought this was going to be bigger, but maybe that is 13 inches. Anyways, I guess I don't really know what 13 inches really looks like. But it's pretty heavy, that's for damn sure. Let's get this in here. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm just so excited about this. Oh my gosh, this thing is huge. I wonder how long this is gonna last me. I believe it was like 300. This is 13 inches by 360 feet, 320 feet. I can't remember exactly. It doesn't say it on the box. But that's the roll of the transfer paper. And then this is the DTF powder. But I feel stupid because I didn't realize on the website that they had multiple options for the DTF powder, like different sizes for the powder, and yeah, I forgot to click that, so I got a little freaking stupid little pouch instead of a big pouch. But what are you gonna do? And I apologize if you can't hear. There are people walking around because I am in my garage, and yeah, so that's the powder that I ordered. And then I want to see how big these ink bottles are, because I think this was the biggest that they had, but then I didn't look at that either, so who knows if this is the biggest they had. If you have one of those Procolored printers, I can't think, let me know if you guys have anywhere or you guys use anybody different. But this is it. This is the 500 milliliter bottle, and that's black, it looks like. Yeah. So yeah, I have 6 colors all together. It's CMYK, and then 2 white bottles, which is nice because the white obviously is going to go you'll need the most of, because you're going to go through those. But I'm not sure what this box is for. I'm confused. Why do I have this box? How do I open this box? It feels like ink in here too, but I didn't order. Okay, that's not how that opens. Oh, it opens on this side. I'm stupid. Is this recording? Okay, I better make sure it's recording, unlike the last time. Okay. Oh, you know what this is? This is the starter pack of ink that comes with the machine when you buy it. It's probably sold separately. But you know what? I'm missing a roll of the transfer paper. So I'm going to have to look into that, because that is no bueno. And I'm assuming this is another thing of powder, which is the same size as the additional one that I ordered, which was stupid because I should have just got a big bottle. But what you're going to do, we'll order, a big container, because it's powder, it's not a bottle. But we'll order some more of that. And now I have these inks, but I am missing the extra roll of the transfer paper, which I need to reach out to, or maybe it comes with the printer, so maybe I'll leave it with the printer until I get the printer, because I don't get that till I'm assuming tomorrow, because I have to go to Brea to pick it up, and I'm in Anaheim, so it's going to be a little bit of time. And I'll probably need Alex's car, because I don't think it's going to fit in my car, because I think it comes in a pretty big trunk looking thing from what I've seen online. So I'll have to get Alex to help me with his car to get that. But anyways, that was me opening up the DTF printer supplies that I received today, which I'm super excited. And the printer will be here, hopefully, fingers crossed. I will have it in hand tomorrow. And then hopefully the printer oven thing comes in too, so we can actually do a print. But I'm going to do a series of videos all about the printer, the whole cost breakdown, what I've paid for it, everything I've ordered, and I'll do tutorials of setting the printer up and all that stuff, because there's nothing out there really about setting this stuff up. So I'll read all the instructions and get all the information, and then provide that to you guys. So hopefully that will benefit you. And if you're like me, then you'll just watch the videos, because I love watching people do this stuff at work. So that's what I do. But yeah, let me see if I'm gonna fit this in correctly. I'm not. I never put anything. Does anybody ever put anything back in the box the way it came? Because I sort of got it. I can't. See, now I screwed it up. I don't remember how this was. But you win some, you lose some. You know what I mean? Ooh, and I almost knocked you guys down. Okay. I'll talk to you guys later. I love you. Bye-bye. Okay, everybody, let's go over the cost breakdown of the supplies I ordered for my new Procolored L1800 DTF printer. If you want to order any of these supplies, I do have an affiliated link in the description box below. First up is the 13-inch transfer film. The roll is about 13 inches by 328 feet. And the cost of that before tax, and all these costs will be before tax, is $229 USD. So the next thing we have up is the DTF powder. The bag I ordered is 0.5 kilograms or 1 pound of powder. And the cost before tax is $23.99 USD. Also, there are a couple different sizes of bags on their website. So if you do order that, I suggest ordering the biggest bag. So that way, if they do charge for shipping, you don't have to keep reordering when you run out. And last but not least is the DTF inks. The bottles are 500 milliliters, and you get one bottle of black, one bottle of cayenne, one bottle of magenta, one bottle of yellow, and 2 bottles of white. And the cost for the 6 bottles is $299 USD, or about $50 per bottle, compared to the $76 per bottle if you were to purchase them separately. So when you do order them, I would definitely order the 6 bottles at once. I know it's a little bit of higher price tag, but there's a lot of savings, about $25, $26 per bottle when you do that. So that's what I would suggest. And that's the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching the unboxing video with me. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this on this channel. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.